everyone, welcome to the new chapter A and the. So today we will dive into the new chapter. So let's begin. Chapter 8 A and the. In this chapter you will learn use of A, use of and, use of the, use of A. So A का हम use कहाँ करते हैं? A is used before the words that begin with a consonant sound. A हम use करते हैं उन words से पहले जो consonant sound से शुरू होते हैं. A is used for one thing और A हम हमेशा singular एक चीज के लिए use करते हैं. Like a tree, a cobra, a mango, a house. Use of an का use हम करते हैं. An is used before word that begin with the vowel sound. जो word vowel sound से शुरू होता है उससे पहले हम an लगाते हैं. An is used for one thing. An एक चीज के लिए use होता है. An ant, an ass, an ear, an apple. Always remember the letters A, E, I, O, U. They are called vowels. All the remaining letters are called consonants. A, an and the are called articles. तो A, E, I, O, U हमारे 5 vowels होते हैं जिनके साथ हम an का use करते हैं और बाकी जो बचे हुए होते हैं 21 consonants होते हैं और A and the हमारे articles होते हैं. Use of the. The is used for a specific or particular noun. The हम use करते हैं एक specific चीज के लिए, particular noun के लिए. Like the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky, the Ganga, the rising Nepal, the east, the morning, the Taj Mahal, the Bhagavad Gita, the brain, the Himalayas. Look at the given sentence. अब हम given sentences को देखेंगे. They have two children. They have two children, a boy and a girl. The boy is 6 years old. Boy है 6 years old and the girl is 5 years old. In the above sentences में we use a or and when we talk about something for the first time. जब भी हम किसी चीज के बारे में पहली बार बात करते हैं and the one when we talk about it the second time or when it is already known. और जब हम इसके बारे में second time बात करते हैं या फिर वो already known होता है. Now read the following sentences carefully. हम read करेंगे. The Ganga is the holy river. Gagan has a horse. He uses the horse for riding. The earth moves around the sun. The red fort is in Delhi. The sun is shining brightly today. Now it's time to answer. Take the correct option. A and the. A and the क्या होते हैं हमारे? Articles. A is used with the nouns that give dash sound. हम A का use करते हैं उन nouns के साथ जो किसकी sound देते हैं? Consonant की. This is correct use of A. अब इसमें A का सही use क्या है? A crow. This is the correct use of an. An का use हो रहा है यहाँ पर an X. This is the correct use of the. The sun, the moon दोनों के साथ सही है. Now fill in the blanks with A and the के साथ हमें blank fill करना है. So an eagle flies in the sky. Manu ate an apple. The moon shines at night. The Ramayana is a holy book. So I hope you all have understood the chapter. Go through it, do the exercises. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.